In this video, we're going to learn how to solve this WASSCE or WAEC chemistry problems under amino acids. So guys, we have 4 repeated questions to practice with in this video. Let's get started. The first question I have here says, the condensation of several amino acid molecules gives, we have option A, secondary alkanols, proteins, option B, long chain alkanoic acid, alkanoates. So the right answer is option B, which is proteins. That is for this question. The next repeated question will be this one. It says, what is the IUPAC name of the compound below? So we have option A, we have 3 amino ethanoic acid, we have 1 amino metanoic acid, 2 amino ethanoic acid, 1 amino ethanoic acid. So guys, looking at this structure we have here, the correct naming of this compound we have here will be option C, which is 2 amino ethanoic acid. Okay, so that's it for this question. The next subject question with this one, it says amino acids are obtained from proteins by real polymerization, reduction, hydrolysis, oxidation. So the right answer to this question would be option B, which is reduction. Alright, so that's it for this question. Very important, take note of this particular question. The last question I have here before I end this video will be this one. It says the enzyme that catalyzes the conversion of glucose to ethanol and carbon monoxide is, we have maltase, we have zymase, we have diatex, we have thiolane. So the right answer is option B, which is zymase. Guys, for this particular question, take note of it, it often comes out. Alright, so this basically can deal with problems involving amino acids for your WASSCE chemistry. Practice with 4 repeated questions for this topic. Hope you learned something interesting from the video. Let's go to the video, guys. If you are new to this channel, ensure that you are subscribed to this channel by hitting the subscribe button for more of these videos. Also like, share and comment on this video. Let me know how you feel for what I learned from this video. If you seem to have any specific question to ask regarding what I've talked about in this video, feel free to leave your question in the comment section below and I'll ensure to give you a response. Also ensure that you are part of the channel membership by clicking the join button. You'll be getting premium information. I help you to excel in your exams like WASSCE and other exams you'll be writing. Okay, so having known this, click on the screen above and I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.